Hi YouTube, Bence from Volumetal Customs here. Thank you very much for joining today. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm bringing you something that's long overdue, which is the whole disassembly of the R80 engine. So before we get into it, I just wanted to apologize. I've lost some of the footage that I wanted to show you guys. I was recording on two different iPhones and my old one wasn't synced up to my iCloud anymore, so I lost all the footage regarding the disassembly of the gearbox as well as the removal of the valve covers. What I will do instead, I'll put up a few pictures at the end of the video. So let's get right into it. Enjoy! Just wanted to let you guys know that I've invested in a proper camera setup. I bought a dedicated video camera as well as a microphone, and I've built some camera lights, so I'm hoping that I can deliver good quality videos to you in the future. So let's get into the video. order to remove the crankshaft, this crankshaft bearing carrier, this whole unit needs to come out. And there's a BMW tool which does exactly what my tool does, except it's a round one, I believe. So there are two threaded bore holes in here where you can put the bolts in, and then you have something to push against with the crankshaft being in here. Before you start tightening this down, you have to heat up the engine case around the crankshaft bearing carrier. So I'm gonna do that and remove the carrier. It actually already started moving, so I believe I have heated it well enough, and it's coming off very nicely. Almost completely out, and it's out. All right. Crankshaft is out. The thrust washers are still installed in the engine here, and we will remove those as well, but I think for now I will just let them be. Hello again. If you're still here, thank you very much for watching. I very much hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to follow along with this journey and you're not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. It really helps the channel out. Well, that's it for today. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Bye.